How to unfriend on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually unfriend on Facebook Lite, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unfriend people on the Facebook Lite, all you need to do is just open the Facebook Lite application. Once you open the Facebook Lite, all you need to do is first of all just go to this friend icon. You'll be able to see the friends that you have and the friend request that you've received. To see the amount of friends that you have, just go to the your friends section from the Facebook Lite app, and then here you'll be able to see a list of friends that you constantly talk to and so on. So in order to unfriend any of these people, all you need to do is just go ahead and actually open up their profile just like this. Once you open up the profile, you just want to tap on the friends icon here, and then you'll find the option called unfriend. So just tap on the unfriend button. It'll ask you for a confirmation, so just tap on yes, and then you can see this person will be successfully unfriended. Now if I want, I can go ahead and send them a friend request again. This is how you can unfriend in Facebook Lite. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.